Hello friends, my name is Milind and you're watching my YouTube channel English Language Guruji. This is another unboxing video. As I have told you in my previous video that I have purchased some product from the Flipkart, and this is the Mama's baby shampoo for my son, and I got it from Flipkart, and it is a very pretty small box. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here is my scissor and let me cut it. You can look at here that it is a prepaid coated here, and therefore there is no mention of rupee. You can say that the seller's name and all the other information and my address and my name and everything is there. So just cut it down first. We cut here this side also. And that is the product, you can say, the Mama's Earth shampoo for my son. And this is the bill, and you can look at the bill, the price quoted here, that is the 140 rupee. And including the GST, it is 135 rupee. It means that I got the discount, pretty much discount from Flipkart. And you can look at this box, this product, the Mama's Earth is quoted here. Gentle cleansing shampoo for babies, tear free with coconut based cleanser, certified toxin free. So all the information is quoted here. And if you look at the price, you can see 199 rupee. So I got the pretty much discount of this product. So thank you for watching my video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel, like and make any comment in the comment box and let me know what you think about my channel and my reviews. So once again, thank you very much.